Can't stand on my finger. They're laying down. Actually, these are the youngest. I can't keep up with you, honey. Oh, there you go. How sweet.
You ready to go fly, huh?
These are the two youngest little birds. They're so cute. Got that. They're going to jump off here in a minute.
He says, feed Duvo rocket flap. Okay, y'all need to get back in your boat. You need to get in your boat. You hear your brother? You hear your brother? Oops.
I just put the babies in the cage for the first time. And they're doing good. Oops. Let's see if we can get them here. They were all standing on the sticks. They're kind of, oops. They'll learn. There's one. He's on his stick. Oh. There's Prince. There's Prince eating. Little baby. Oh, he almost made it. He almost made it to a stick. They'll learn.
Well, it's Friday morning, and just like they're supposed to, they was ready. One of them ready to fly. One of them was actually out of the cage and on the floor this morning. And when I tried to get him, he flew about 2 or 3 feet. This little one here, he hopped right over Prince a while ago. Amber's already started eating a lot of cuddle bone, and I think she's going to start making a new nest. That's little Pete singing. There's little Pete right there. I got you some spinach, Betty. He don't care. See then. You feed me. Prince can tell apart. He knows who's fed and who ain't.
I don't think that one par's been fed yet.